building cabinets since I first started it in about 1978. We started the Hanscraft business name in 1991, so that's been 16 years. Hanscraft Custom Interior is our cabinet business. We design and manufacture specialized cabinetry now for orthodontic offices. I've been affiliated with Sterilization since the spring of 2000. I would estimate that we have manufactured approximately 75 sterilization systems. We've done some other types of work also for orthodontal offices and other dental offices, including laboratories and dental side units. You would want our sterilization system because it streamlines your sterilization process. It cuts stress in the office. It prevents injury because the instruments are managed in a way that protects you from them. It helps to ensure that your instruments come out sterile. They're going to pass the spore tests easier. We design sterilization centers and other cabinetry to fit the spaces that are in the offices. No two offices are exactly alike, so we offer the capability of fitting the sterilization center to the peculiar needs of the office. Not only the space requirements, but also we can accommodate the size of the practice. We take into account how many patients you see. We take into account what kind of sterilizers you use in your area, and also what kind of sterilizers you may need to use in the future. We try to accommodate growth and expansion in the office. And the sterilization centers that we manufacture are freestanding. They're like a piece of equipment coming into the office, which changes the tax benefits. It improves the tax benefits for the owner, as well as making it an item that can be relocated to another office should the doctor want to relocate. The final assembly takes place in the office space. We use leg levelers and everything is perfectly level, no matter what the rest of the office might be like. By recessing the ultrasonic cleaner and the rinse tank, we free up some of the counter space that might otherwise be taken up by those, because while a rack full of instruments may be recessed into an ultrasonic cleaner that's recessed into the countertop, another rack can be sitting on the drain tray behind it and can be filled. In an ultrasonic cleaner or a rinse tank that sits on the countertop, you have to be able to raise your rack of instruments up an extra 14 inches or so and then set it down into that cleaner, which means that you have to have an extra 14 inches or so of clearance above it before you can have any upper cabinets. So that puts the bottom of your upper cabinets up at an uncomfortable height. Reduces the amount of storage space you have above these things. By recessing them down into the cabinetry, we have more free room to move the cassettes, the transport racks. Sterilization offers a standard sterilization center design in 3 different lengths: 8 foot, 10 foot, and 12 foot. These standard sterilization centers are a less expensive design that's built to be more competitive with other systems on the market, and yet we have a much higher quality of construction. A custom sterilization center is going to suit anybody with impeccable taste for quality, anyone who wants the best is going to want to have a custom sterilization center because it's going to hold up longer. It looks a little better, particularly when you open the doors and see the contoured maple trim that goes into the cabinetry and the custom units. The main advantages of the custom sterilization centers are durability, durability. And then we need to also add the fact that they can fit any space. We can more easily accommodate needs that are specific to the office and to the doctor or the staff that's using them. When we install one of our sterilization centers, the contractors who are on site invariably come in and shower us with kind compliments about how beautiful the sterilization center looks and how nice the quality of the cabinetry is. We put a lot of love into what we do, and we take a lot of extra time to handcraft these cabinets. They're built by craftsmen who pay very close attention to detail, and it shows in the finished product. The finish that we put on our sterilization centers is easier to clean than anything else on the market. And they all have a high gloss finish, and that's part of the reason they're easy to clean, is because of that high gloss finish. We pay a lot of attention to detail when it comes to sanding and prepping the surface before spraying the finish on. We pay a lot of attention to putting the finish on so that there's a good heavy coat. It's a lot like porcelain in appearance and behavior. It's virtually waterproof, and water does not penetrate it. Our sterilization systems are worth every penny of the price that you pay because they last and last. And when the patients and the patient's parents take a tour through the office and they see the sterilization center, they know just because of the appearance of the sterilization center that the doctor is concerned about their welfare. The appearance of the sterilization center exudes cleanliness. It exudes sterility. And artistically, it looks like $1 million. Our sterilization centers are designed by one of the best cabinet makers in the country. They are also designed by one of the best orthodontists in the country. We were the first on the market for orthodontic sterilization systems. So we have more experience than anyone else has in our field. You want Sterisource Sterilization Center because everyone out there that you know knows that the Sterisource Sterilization Center is top of the line. It is on the leading edge of sterilization technology for orthodontic offices. We at Hanscraft take special care, special interest in making our cabinetry the best that our customers have seen or used or owned. When we exhibit a sterilization center in the orthodontic conventions, we can see people's mouths go, wow, when they walk by, and we like that. I guess it's an ego trip for me, but I take a lot of pride in that, and it's fun.